Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ramonster once again with another quick little video. This time I'm going to do a little mini haul that I got at my local Target. Now I'm kind of building a pretty good relationship with a manager here and some other people. And anyways, I've had these before, found a few, found 4 more. Actually, 4 of these are on their way back to Malaysia from a guy that I know on Facebook that wanted some of these. Now I have more. But here's 4 of these guys. Now I've gotten this one before too. I just love the look. Old school truck. And I found 2 more for some reason. These are a little bit harder to find, even though they're a regular treasure hunt. But I finally managed to find 4 of these guys. I will be opening one during a video. So these things are pretty neat. I don't know why they're a little bit harder. There's the treasure hunt emblem right there for those that are new and starting out. Also on the bottom of the card, it'll have that same logo, but it says right there, just found a collectible treasure. And last but not least, my super treasure hunt. Now, I did not expect this car, or truck should I say, to be this nice. It is beautiful. I love those mud tires. Those that are new, again, there's a super treasure hunt emblem. It's in gold. And that one, it would be silver. And this says the TH right there. Really nice. I'm digging it. Too bad the spare tire isn't a real rider. It would have been cool if it was. Same thing with the wheel. Matching wheel. But I guess you can get so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.